Look around. Everyone's telling you what you can't do. That the mind is stuck, that change is slow, that you're just built this way and that's it. You feel that weight every damn day. The frustration creeping in when your old patterns keep dragging you back, even though you've set goals, made plans, told yourself to be better. You're fighting the same mental battles over and over, exhausted from the noise in your head saying you're not enough, you're not smart enough, you don't deserve the success you crave. That voice, it's a poison. It's holding you hostage, and the worst part, you didn't even choose it. It's been running on autopilot since forever. Here's the brutal truth. No one else will fix that voice for you. No mentor, no book, no fancy seminar. The power to actually rewire that voice is in what you tell yourself every damn day. That's where positive affirmations smash through the noise. But not the cliche, I'm great, I'm amazing crap you've heard before. Real affirmations are precise and ruthless tools. They carve new neural paths, silently but permanently, rewiring your brain. Every time you say a statement that's loaded with meaning, in the right way and with real emotion, you're hijacking your old patterns and teaching your mind a new truth. Don't bullshit yourself here. This only works if you do it wrong, every day, no exceptions. You need to pick affirmations that fight your exact demons. Your fears about failure, scarcity mindset, the limiting beliefs that convince you to settle or stay small. Write them down, say them aloud like your life depends on it, because it does. Use the present tense. No, I will be. Only, I am. I am capable of leaving this stuck place. I am worthy of what I have fought for. Feel every word deep in your gut like it's a fact, not hope. Here's what most people miss. The power of repetition alone isn't enough. You have to attach those words to real emotional triggers. Right after a deep breath, when you feel vulnerable or pissed off, hit those lines hard. Use your body. Stand tall. Breathe as if survival depends on it. This input rewires neurons faster because your brain doesn't just process words. It reacts to emotions and body states. This is practical neuroplasticity. You want to reprogram your mind to see opportunities instead of obstacles? Then embed the new truths into your emotional memory, not some empty mental space. Also, don't stop there. After affirming, back your words with action that confirms them. If you say, I am decisive, every decision, no matter how small, is a chance to own that affirmation. It's brutal feedback for your brain. This is real. This is possible. This creates a feedback loop that smashes the old circuits built on doubt. You will feel the change physically, because your brain will release chemicals tied to confidence. This is not some soft magic trick. It's the only way out of the mental ruts that keep leaders, founders, investors spinning their wheels. Positive affirmations done right are a tool to reclaim control over your mind in a world filled with noise, distractions, and fake comfort zones designed to keep you mediocre. It's tough work, and it feels weird at first because you're literally reprogramming the one thing messing you up every day, your own neural wiring. So start right now, no excuses. Pick your critical limiting belief. Craft an affirmation that punches it away. Say it out loud with raw emotion, breathe into it, own it. Repeat it until it's louder than your doubt. Then back it up with action that proves your words aren't just empty promises. This is how to forcibly eject the old running scripts that keep you stuck and replace them with new ones that serve the future you want. Because your mind, your brain, your neural patterns, they respond to what you feed them relentlessly, every single second. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for a perfect moment. This is your hack to seize freedom inside your head, the only freedom that really counts. You change your mindset, you change your decisions. You change your decisions, you change your results. And when your internal world shifts like that, you become a different person. Someone capable of things you thought were impossible. This is real. This works. Start. Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.